Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Quezon City, Metro Manila. This property is in a quiet residential community and it has an approximate floor area of about 332 square meters with a spacious lot area of 304 square meters. Now, join us as we begin this tour. Here we go, through your pedestrian gate. You have a tiled space here with access towards the side of the house. The pavers are surrounded with artificial grass to give you a nice view as you go in and out of the pedestrian gate. And then right here, you have a carport area for approximately 3 vehicles. It's almost completely covered with a gravel wash, so it's not slippery. And here you have your grand main entry with that large wooden door. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You're welcomed by an open concept plan for your living, dining, and kitchen space. Let's begin with your living area with a high ceiling, cove lighting, plenty of natural light, and you can easily have a large living room set right here. You already have 3 large split type air conditioning units for this main amenity level. And on the other side of the room, you have your staircase, and then you have your dining area. It's defined by these lights, which are going to be over your dining table. You can easily have a table here for about 8 people. You have cove lighting here as well. And from here, you have your modern kitchen. Lots of room to navigate. Once again, you have your split type air conditioning unit here. This is where you can have your refrigerator. And you already have a cooktop and range hood. Nice countertop area, and you have a great view of your dining and living space. And let's explore your service areas. So you have a covered auxiliary space right here. You can have an additional oven and refrigerator on this side. And then you have your staff room right here, which is quite spacious with its own bathroom as well. You can walk all around the house right here. You have your pressure tank right there, and you have your driver's room on the other side. Here's a quick look, just so that you're oriented on the size. And it also has its own bathroom. And then you can walk all the way here back to the parking area. Now let's head back in. And now we're back here. Let me say this is a home that's excellent for entertaining, because you can imagine having your meals prepared here, and then you have your friends and family gathered here, and then there's so much space for the living area, and the layout has such a welcoming vibe. In addition, for convenience, right here you have your powder room. It's maximizing the space underneath the stairs. And right now, let's take a look at the first room in the house, right here. Of course, we're not counting the 2 staff rooms, but the main rooms for the ground level, we have the first one here. I love the color of the flooring right here. The wooden design also complements the colors of the walls and the doors as well. And you have these 2 large windows giving plenty of natural light. The rooms also have split type air conditioning units as well. And of course, you have an ensuite bathroom. This is excellent if you just want to use this as a bedroom or even a guest room or even a home office. And now let's head on up towards the second level. I just want to point out, this is a nice touch, having these almost floor to ceiling windows right beside the main door, giving you plenty of natural light leading up to the staircase. Even though it's just one straight path, the designers made sure to have a landing, so it's easy and not tiring to go up and down the stairs. You have thick tempered glass right here, and you can see the thickness from this angle, and very sturdily constructed as well. And you have such a nice open hallway space. Now we're going to explore the second and third bedroom and cap off the tour with the primary bedroom. Check out the rooms in this house. I love the size of the bedrooms. They're large enough to be divided into 2 areas. So this can be a space for a home office or a lounge area or even additional storage. And then you can have your bed on this side and then have an entertainment console here on the other side. And then you have a nice picture window as well. And this isn't even the primary bedroom. You already have so much storage. And then on the other side, you have your ensuite bathroom. I like the spacing and even the ceiling height here at the second level. It has a very clean and polished finish in terms of the aesthetic. And then here on the other side is your third room. Now, once again, very spacious. Can be divided into 2 areas. You already have a nice desk area right here. So even if the occupant of this room is already an adult, this is more than enough space. And you once again have a significant area right here for storage with a nice full-length mirror as well. And of course, your ensuite bathroom with natural ventilation as well. Now, I would say this is an excellent home for families who already have growing children who are already in their teens or even adults already because of the size of the rooms. But on the other hand, if you're a starting family and you'd love to have that space to scale, this is also an excellent find. Okay? And here we have your primary bedroom. Now, this is a nice surprise right away. You have 2 paths here one leading to your balcony space, which we will explore in a little while. But right now, let's take a look at your bedroom proper. Of course, by far the largest room in the house. And this is a nice touch, having this corner window. But what I love is it's just facing your covered balcony. So you have that natural light, but you don't have that sun exposure. And then a nice desk area right here. And a large space for your walk-in closet. And some exposed shelves also here on the other side. So let me open up cabinets. And very nice finish also for the cabinets. And you can see how well placed the design is. There's no cracks or ridges. Okay. And here you have your primary bathroom. Okay, so you can see that it is significantly larger with a freestanding bathtub. And then you have your vanity mirror right here. You have two windows for natural light and ventilation. And of course, your toilet here on the other side and your tempered glass shower enclosure. Okay. And this is a nice picture window for your primary bedroom. And as promised, we're gonna take a look at your balcony space. Now, this balcony space is a great addition to your primary bedroom. It's completely covered and you can easily fit a table and a couple of chairs. You also have a nice high ceiling, so it has this open feel. And that caps off our tour for this brand new 4-bedroom house and lot for sale here in Quezon City. Want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.